Welcome to Fusion My Business. In this video, we'll show you how to check and print your Z report using your Fusion POS system. First, log into your account. From the menu section, swipe left. You'll see the settings icon. Tap on it, then select Reports. Tap Today and choose your desired date range. The report will display the overall revenue, total number of orders, the most sold items, and their quantities. To print the Z report, simply tap Print, and it will be sent to your connected printer. Next, let's view the Dine-In report. Again, swipe left, tap the settings icon, and select Dine Report. Choose Today and select the date range. This report will show overall dine-in revenue, total table orders, the most sold items, and their quantities. Tap Print to generate a physical copy. Take control of your business insights with Fusion My Business.